So the rain is very heavy, guys. As you can see, it's flooding now in our creek. Heavy rain this afternoon. Hopefully the rain calm down because it starts flooding now. Look at the creek. The color of the creek is turning brown. It's flooding. Cookie, why you're so noisy? Huh? She's been barking with buttons. Because she saw buttons, our cat. She's been barking with her. Go inside, Cookie, go inside. Come here, Cookie. What are you doing, Bana? What you got in there? Dirty in you. Chicken and fried vegetables. That's the dinner. My husband this afternoon. It's almost eat it all. So I move our couch here because it will be wet. It's even this side there. Look at the mountains, guys. So we bought Cookie this toy here. Here, Cookie, here. Get there. Here, Cookie, here. So Virgil is still in the school. My friend Bastion she gonna pick Virgil soon because this rain is so heavy and he needs to have an umbrella because the classroom of Virgil is a little bit far from the entrance where the school is. So he needs to have an umbrella because the rain is so heavy this afternoon. He will be wet. And we put some camera at the back of our terrace, guys. The back side here. We have a camera here now. So look at that. My husband has been installing this one this afternoon. So we put some camera because we're gonna check our dog Cookie while we're out. We're gonna monitor here because there's a lot of cats here in our neighbor. It's been passed by here and most of them they've been coming here inside in our house and we're afraid that they're gonna hurt Cookie, our dog, our puppy. And also we put one here inside where the living room is. So hi there, Midnight. Midnight has been hung out here. Hey. And Cookie, you need to calm down, okay? Midnight is good. So this is one of our cat. Then Cookie is always barking on here. Look at Cookie there. Cookie! Cookie! So, look at the creek, guys. Still raining there at the mountains, the other side. So my husband is installing one of the camera here in front. So this camera here is very cheap, right? How much did you pay for the 3 cameras? 2,200. How much that in dollars? $50, $35 for the 3 cameras that we bought online. So we put one here. Yeah. And one in our living room. So one over here. Because we need to check our puppy, Cookie, every night. How's she doing here? Because this is where she normally sleep, here in the living room. This is where she always sleep, beside our door here. And she always waiting for my husband to wake up every morning, and always been hung out in this place here, in this area here. So that's why we put one of the camera here in the living room, so that we know how she doing here. Because sometimes we are afraid if she be eating something here, like when Virgil is eating over there, there's leftover foods in the floor. And you know, Shih Tzu dog not supposed to be eating some like onions and garlic. Is not good for them. So that's why we always make sure that there's no foods that drop there in the floor. So finally, guys, the rain almost calmed down now. Hopefully it will continue, because I was kind of worried about the big flood. And also Virgil is still at the school, so hopefully it will calm down soon. And in the month of August, I hear some news last night that there's a 4 typhoon coming in the month of August. So it's a rainy season, so we expect a lot of rain this time. Cookie, come here. Oh, I heard some thunder on the other side. So our drill is worn out, guys. Right, baby?
Yeah.
So we need to buy another drill, because
That's something I use pretty often.
my husband needs, yeah, he always use this drill. So how many years that you've been having this one?
3 years.
3 years? 3 years, guys. So it's worn out.
Yeah, put the house together.
He tried to use it this afternoon to put the camera, and just worn out. So we need to buy a new one. This is really been good to us, this drill here. Cookie! Rain almost stopped now. Cookie, come here, come here. He's barking with buttons or cats. if Cookie saw strange cats or dogs, she always bark at them. Cookie, stop, stop. Come here, Dre, Buttons. Come here, Buttons. Come here. Come here, over here. She needs help because Buttons not even do anything about her. Keeps barking on her. I think she wants to play with Buttons. Right, Daddy? She wants to have
Yeah,
some...
she's mad 'cause they won't play.
Yeah. Buttons not want to play with Cookie because Buttons is a little bit scared of Cookie. Midnight is over there. So guys, I think that's all for today's video. And I really do appreciate to all of you for the love and support and for all the nice comments. So see you guys on my next video.